Hi and welcome to Nutrition Therapy by Lucy. This is a channel where we talk about food, good nutrition and health. So today we are going to focus on kiwi fruit. We look at some of the health benefits of consuming kiwi, and also we look at some of the nutritional value of kiwi fruit. I'm going to give you more reasons why you should consume at least a kiwi a day. So subscribe and let's get to the health benefits. Let's look at some of the kiwi nutritional value. And kiwi are good sources of vitamin E, C and K. They are also good sources of folate, potassium, and also they have a lot of antioxidants and are also good sources of fiber. And now let's look at some of the health benefits of kiwi fruit. And one is that they help in digestion. Kiwis, they have plenty of fiber, which is very essential for digestion. They also contain a unique enzyme called actinidin that can help break down protein. And also, a kiwi fruit can be able to boost immune system due to the high concentration of vitamin C and many antioxidants. Kiwi may support immune function and reduce the likelihood of developing cold and flu-like illnesses. So kiwi, they are essential in boosting someone's immune system. Also, a kiwi fruit can be able to improve or help in lung function. Kiwis may reduce wheezing in children and also in adults. They help to improve the lung function in asthmatic people. So if you're asthmatic, you can consider having a kiwi a day. Also, kiwi fruit may help in controlling the blood pressure due to the high potassium levels of kiwi. This way, they are able to manage high blood pressure, thus reducing the risk of many cardiovascular diseases like stroke and heart attacks. So a kiwi a day, it's a good way of controlling or managing blood pressure, especially with those with high blood pressure. And also the kiwis, they may help to reduce oxidative stress, which result due to too much accumulation of free radicals. This way, they'll be able to reduce the risk of developing diseases like cancer. So kiwi helps too. And this is how you can be able to incorporate kiwi fruit in your diet. I hope I have given you more reasons why you should consume a kiwi fruit. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload such video, you get notified. Bye bye and God bless.